What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another YouTube video. Sneaker unboxing, on foot review. Before I start with this one, I just want to say, if you work at a sneaker retailer and you're shipping lids like this, please stop. It's quite irritating. Like, what is this? It is one of the cleanest boxes I've ever seen. But this is completely ridiculous. I mean, it may have happened during shipping, but I can't be sure. Here we have a nice pair of Jordan 7s. These quickly fell below retail, so if you're looking for a pair, check them out at StockX. There's an affiliate marketing link in the description below. It helps out the channel a tremendous amount. If you guys are unfamiliar with Jordan 7s, they have a very Fresh Prince vibe. It says Jordan in purple, Air Jordan in purple on the tongue. The leather itself is pretty clean. Let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. I'm going to throw them on here in just a second. I happen to think they're quite nice. What I love about Jordan 7s is that they have a nice little interior sock. Brings about some awesome cushioning, and it makes it much easier to slip on and off the shoe. As you can see, it's a great casual color, great casual silhouette. There's really nothing wrong with the sneaker. As I've mentioned in previous videos, if you're looking for some denim like this, check out the Amazon affiliate link in the description. Don't forget to let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. It's always nice to hear people's opinions on sneakers, especially sneakers that go under retail. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.